Hi, welcome back to another video. And recently, I made a video on Etsy and how to sell Squarespace templates on Etsy. But actually, what happens with Squarespace is that you can create a free website also on Squarespace, and you can also create and also you can create a website after purchasing its subscription. So most of the templates that were on Etsy was the premium templates which you can create after the subscription. So some of you were struggling that if you are not able to buy the subscription of Squarespace, then what is the option, what is the alternative for that? What is the alternative for that? So in today's video I have came up with the alternative. And also, if you want me to create a Squarespace website template, which I can show you that how you can create it free and also by using its paid subscription, then I will also create a tutorial on that. But in today's video I will share that how can you sell website templates on Etsy and make money through it. And these templates will be completely free, and these templates will be those kinds of templates, and these templates will be free to create. So it will be quite easy for you if you are a beginner into this niche. So there is a niche called Wix website templates, okay, on Etsy. So you all know about Wix. Wix is a platform on which people create their website, blogs, and also e-commerce websites. So on Etsy, like if we search Wix, see, I have just written Wix, and you can see that on Etsy there is a Wix website template. The suggestions are like Wix template, Wix website, Wix blog template, Wix coaching template, Wix theme, Wix website template wedding, Wix website template design, Wix photography website template, Wix website theme, Wix e-commerce website template. Like you can see these many niche are there on Etsy, which you can which you can take advantage of, which you can utilize if you know about Wix, if you know to create website through Wix. So I actually know, and I can also create a tutorial on Wix. But if you are someone who don't know, then I will be creating a tutorial. And if you are someone who knows about Wix, then this is for you. So Wix website template. Okay, so as we can see that Wix also allows us to create free website templates. So it is a little bit saturated. It has 2500 results, which means that there are a lot of people who are creating Wix website templates and selling on Etsy because it is also free. Now see, it is little bit saturated because Wix is a platform where you can create websites for free, also for paid, but you can easily create websites for free and sell the templates on Etsy. So it is little bit more saturated than Squarespace. So there is a way, there is a loophole in this. I will show you what, but first let's see what kinds of templates people are selling. Like you can see this. It is a photography website template created with Wix. It is the pricing you can see. Let's check this shop. So this is a template this is a wedding website template by this shop called Superhero Design Company. They have had 318 sales, and this is the website template. It is quite nice, really nice, really well made template. It is a photographer website template, Wix website template for photography website. So this is little bit niche down website template. It is for photographers, like wedding photographers. So if there is a person who is a wedding photographer and he or she wants to create a website, but they do not want to create it, they want to just buy a template and edit it with their own custom photos and their custom texts. So they can purchase this website template and utilize it, and it is selling. They have had 318 sales. It is $112. So this is how this works. So now we will niche down even more, because when I searched like Wix website template, then it was showing 2000, almost 2500 results. So now I'm going to type okay, it was a wedding template, right? So the suggestions are Wix website template for coach, for wedding, for coaching, clothing, minimalist. Let's search wedding. See, there are less results now. There are only 638 results. The shop that we just saw, it is ranking on the first page. Let's check this listing. So this is the listing that we are checking. This is a wedding Wix website template, wedding digital invitation, custom wedding website template. Okay, this is the shop. They've had 1251 sales. Let's check out the shop. Okay, so they sell a lot of stuff. So they also sell business card templates. They also sell thank you card. They also sell Wix website template. This is their shop. They are selling a lot of products. Okay. So they are on Etsy since 2020. So it has been almost 1 year on Etsy. They have had 1251 sales. So on average, if we if we on average, if we take $50 to $40 per their average product pricing 50 to 40 or even 30, they're making quite a lot. So this is a profitable niche that you can hop into. So for this, what you will need a Wix website. You will need to be having some basic knowledge about creating a website on Wix platform. If you don't know, I will create a tutorial on it, and also there are some few tutorials on YouTube which you can check out. And if you already know to create a website on Wix, then you just need to improve more of your designing skills, because you cannot sell a very simple and ordinary website on Wix, because it will not get sold. And even if it gets sold, people, like your customer, is going to complain you. So you have to create a very premium, very nicely well made website which will be helpful for them to customize. So that was it for today's video. I will see you in the next one.